Want to lose weight fast? These science-backed tips can help you lose weight sustainably. 1. Cut back on refined carbs. One way to help lose weight quickly is to cut back on sugars and starches, or carbohydrates. This could be with a low-carb eating plan or by reducing refined carbs and replacing them with whole grains. When you do that, your hunger levels go down, and you generally end up eating fewer calories. With a low-carb eating plan, you'll utilize burning stored fat for energy instead of carbs. If you choose to eat more complex carbs like whole grains along with a calorie deficit, you'll benefit from higher fiber and digest them more slowly. This makes them more filling to keep you satisfied. A 2020 study confirmed that a very low carbohydrate diet was beneficial for losing weight in older populations. Research also suggests that a low-carb diet may reduce appetite, which can lead to naturally eating fewer calories without thinking about it or feeling hungry. Note that the long-term effects of a low-carb diet are still being researched. It can also be difficult to adhere to a low-carb diet, which may lead to yo-yo dieting and less success in maintaining a healthy weight. There are potential downsides to a low-carb diet that may lead you to a different method. Reduced calorie diets can also lead to weight loss and be easier to maintain for longer periods of time. If you opt for a diet focusing instead on whole grains over refined carbs, a 2019 study correlated high whole grain intake with lower body mass index. To determine the best way for you to lose weight, consult your doctor for recommendations. Summary: reducing refined carbohydrates may help curb your appetite, lower your insulin levels, and help you lose weight. But the long-term effects of a low-carb diet are not yet known. A reduced calorie diet could be more sustainable. 2. Eat protein, fat, and vegetables. Aim to include a variety of foods at each meal. To balance your plate and help you lose weight, your meals should include a protein source, fat source, vegetables, a small portion of complex carbohydrates, such as whole grains. To see how you can assemble your meals, check out this low-carb meal plan. This lower-calorie meal plan. These lists of 101 healthy low-carb recipes and low-calorie foods. Protein. Eating a recommended amount of protein is essential to help preserve your health and muscle mass while losing weight. Generally, an average male needs about 56 to 91 grams per day, and the average female needs 46 to 75 grams per day. But many factors influence protein needs. Here are guidelines to help you figure out how much protein to eat without eating too much. 0.8 grams/kg of body weight, 1 to 1.2 grams/kg of body weight for people 65 and older, 1.4 to 2 grams/kg of body weight for athletes. Diets with adequate protein may also help you reduce cravings and snacking by helping you feel full and satisfied. 3 healthy protein sources include meat, beef, chicken, pork, and lamb, fish and seafood, salmon, trout, sardines, and shrimp, eggs, plant-based proteins, beans, legumes, quinoa, tempeh, and tofu. Vegetables. Don't be afraid to load your plate with leafy green vegetables. They're packed with nutrients, and you can eat very large amounts without greatly increasing calories and carbs. All vegetables are nutrient-rich and healthy foods to add to your diet. But some vegetables, like potatoes, sweet potatoes, winter squash, and corn, are higher in carbs. These vegetables are considered complex carbs because they contain fiber. But you may want to be mindful of serving size when adding these vegetables to your plate. Vegetables to include more of: broccoli, cauliflower, spinach, tomatoes, kale, Brussels sprouts, cabbage, Swiss chard, lettuce, cucumber, peppers, healthy fats. Don't be afraid of eating fats. Your body still requires healthy fats no matter what eating plan you choose. Olive oil and avocado oil are great choices for including in your eating plan. Nuts, seeds, olives, and avocados are delicious and healthy additions, as well. Other fats such as butter and coconut oil should be used only in moderation due to their higher saturated fat content. Summary: try to assemble each meal with a protein source, healthy fat source, complex carb, and vegetables. Leafy green vegetables are a great way to bulk up a meal with low calories and lots of nutrients. 3. Move your body. Exercise, while not required to lose weight, can help you lose weight more quickly. Lifting weights has particularly good benefits. By lifting weights, you'll burn calories and help prevent your metabolism from slowing down, which is a common side effect of losing weight. Try strength training 3 to 4 times a week. If you're new to lifting weights, a trainer may be able to help you get started. Make sure your doctor is also aware of any new exercise plans. If lifting weights is not an option for you, doing some cardio workouts such as walking, jogging, running, cycling, or swimming is very beneficial for weight loss and general health. Both cardio and weightlifting may help with weight loss and offer lots of other health benefits. Summary: resistance training, such as weightlifting, is a great option for losing weight.
Subscribe to the channel. Mood swing. And click the bell icon.